Institute of Banking Personnel Selection is the banking recruitment organization which conducts recruitment process for the selection of banking staff as clerks, probationary officers and specialist officers for 20 public sector banks and regional rural banks in India. Let us check the list of banks for which IBPS recruits staff. This is the list of public sector banks for which IBPS recruits staff. Allahabad Bank, Andhra Bank, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, Corporation Bank, Dana Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, IDBI Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Punjab National Bank, Syndicate Bank, UCO Bank, Union Bank of India, United Bank of India, Vijaya Bank. Every year, IBPS conducts common written examination for IBPS clerks, PO, specialist officers and fills the vacancies available in those banks. This year also, it has already released the IBPS exam calendar for conducting IBPS RRB exams, IBPS PO exams, IBPS clerk exam and IBPS specialist officers exam. IBPS recruitment process involves preliminary examination, main examination and personal interview. Important notice, there will be no interview for IBPS clerks. They will conduct common written examination for applicants and filter the suitable candidates by conducting preliminary examination and main examination. Let us check the exam dates of IBPS common written examination for RRBs and public sector banks. Rural banks common written examination for officers and office assistants. The preliminary examination for scale 1 officers and office assistants will be in the month of September. It starts from 9th September to 24th September. So we can expect the official notification of common written examination of RRB 6 is in the month of June last week. For scale 2 officers and scale 3 officers, there will be only single examination. For scale 1 officers and office assistants, preliminary examination and main examination will be conducted. The shortlisted candidates of preliminary exam will be conducted main examination, that will be in the month of November. For scale 1 officers 5th November and office assistants 12th November. So it's time to start your preparation for IBPS RRB exams. Then go for IBPS PO and IBPS Clerk 6 exams. IBPS PO preliminary exam will be in the month of October 2017. Starts from 7th October to 15th October. Then the main examination in the month of November, 26th November 2017. For the shortlisted candidates of preliminary exam. IBPS Clerk 7 exam, the preliminary examination will be in the month of December 2017 from 2nd December to 10th December. The main examination will be 21st January 2018 for the shortlisted candidates of preliminary examination. Then check IBPS Specialist Officers exam dates. From this year onwards, there will be changes in the recruitment process of specialist officers. They plan to conduct two-tier examination, that is preliminary examination and main examination. Previously, they used to conduct only single examination and then interview. Check the exam dates of IBPS specialist officers. Preliminary examination will be on 30th and 31st December 2017 and the main examination is 28th January 2018 for the shortlisted candidates of preliminary examination. IBPS will publish the complete recruitment notification for IBPS clerks, IBPS RRB exams, IBPS PO exams and IBPS specialist officers exams separately before 2 months of the actual exam dates. IBPS starts exams from September 1 by 1. So it's time to start your preparation for better results. You can find best books for IBPS exams and study materials from www.bankexamtips.in website. From bankexamtips.in website, we have provided the speed matrix, best books for preparing bank exams, and how to get high marks in quantitative aptitude, and study materials for bank exams. For latest updates, please subscribe Bank Exam Tips YouTube channel. Click on subscribe button so that you can able to get my updated videos directly into your Gmail.